How to delete a blank sheet of Word on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete a blank sheet of Word in your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you have the updated version of your Word. After you have that, you can open up your Word document and head over to the document where you have a blank page. So right here, what you'll need to do to simply remove this page is just head over to this page. So first tap on this edit option on the top. So you can be on the edit section. Then tap on the blank page that you want to remove. After that, all you have to do is keep on pressing the backspace. Keep on doing that until you reach your first page here that is not blank, and while you keep on doing that, your blank page will get removed automatically. So here you can see now I only have one page, and that's basically how you do it. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.